Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And this is her SnackSack box, which she is going to amazingly open with those scissors.
How dare you insult my scissoring?
All right, this is a monthly snack box. They have healthy snacks, vegan snacks, keto snacks, gluten-free snacks, all that kind of stuff. They do have specialty boxes. We just get the classic.
So it's a savory box this month. So just like last month or whatever month, we have more pork rinds. They're spicy dill.
I kind of like that spicy dill.
Yeah. Potato chip peach puffs.
Hippies.
Nana would like this.
I would like this too.
Yeah, so would I.
These are from right here in Connecticut.
Yeah.
Deep River Snacks. These are made in Old Lyme, Connecticut, not too far from us.
Fried caramel scoop waffles.
Oh. Yeah, you're right. You don't like this box.
I like that. I never said I didn't like this box. I'm just tired. Cranberry almond maple.
Oh, this is the really good one. I like that one.
A Zing plant-based oatmeal chocolate chip cookie.
Wow.
A dark chocolate coconut Zing bar. Crackers.
Slow baked crackers, olive oil and sea salt, and they're kind of crushed.
There's just saltine crackers with some olive oil.
And sea salt.
Coconut coca chip bar. Some beef jerky. Mom's gonna steal. And some white chip raspberry granola. What do you want to try? What do you want to try?
What do you want to try?
I'm fine with anything.
We're going to try the Stroop waffle because we're going to share it. If there's two, we're each going to have one.
That sounds strange, but good.
All right, so it's one big cookie.
That's a big cookie. Can I smell it? Smells like graham crackers.
That's the bigger half.
Alright, if you say so.
Well, you can measure them up.
Alright.
About the same.
Yeah, this one looks slightly bigger though.
Okay.
See how you try to cheat me out of that?
Yeah.
Oh, there's nothing in here though.
There is.
Nuh-uh. See?
Look on the other side.
Nothing in the middle.
Oh.
So we split that for no reason. That was two cookies.
It is. Yeah. Okay.
God.
Split that for no reason.
Mm-hmm.
Why did you make me do that?
Because I just realized it. You're the one who said that there was one.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
I think you told me I had to split it in half. I'm pretty sure that's how it happened. These are good. Well, what's our SnackSack box? I think it was a good mix between sweet and savory. You just didn't see them because all the savory stuff was on top.
Yeah.
Yeah. But some good stuff for you to take for lunch. Except for the couple things that you don't like that I'll be taking. Cranberry, almond, maple, because you don't like dried cranberries.
It depends. But yeah, you can take that.
Beef stick, because you don't eat beef. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell.
I'm loving that chai aftertaste even more.
And hopefully, we'll see you soon.